friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a handful of flowers. Come join me and I'll show you how to make them.
All right, friends, so in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find 4 pieces of different colored construction paper, and they may be different than these colors in your kit, 1 ribbon, and 6 chenille stems, 3 green and 3 yellow. You'll also need some additional items: tape, a glue stick, a pencil, and scissors. Let's clear off our workspace and get started. All right, so what we'll start with are the scissors, the pencil, and the colored construction paper that's not green. Okay, you're gonna make flowers out of your handprint. So we just need from the palm to the fingers. So go ahead and put your hand down on the paper and go ahead and trace your hand. Okay, and now go ahead and cut this out. All right. Now you can go ahead and trace your hand on the other 2 pieces of paper if you'd like. You can make 1 flower or up to 3 flowers. So here are my hands. If you have any pencil marks that you want to erase, go ahead and do that. And now set these aside for a little bit. We're going to bring over our pipe cleaners and fold each green stem in half, and now fold each yellow stem in half. And now take a green and a yellow stem and put the pointy ends together. We're going to make an X with those, and then we're just going to twist, twist, twist. Again, being careful of the sharp pointy parts. Okay, so now we can, that is going to be your stem and the inside part of the flower. So that's 1, and you'll do the rest of them as well, or how many ever flowers you made. And what you'll do with your hand is go ahead and roll it like this. And you want to leave a little opening because you're going to put the stem through. I'm going to try to put a little bit of tape, but I'm going to put it toward the back, hopefully, so I hopefully don't see it that much. Okay, and now you can go ahead and put the stem through. If it doesn't fit right, if it doesn't fit right away, go ahead and squeeze it a little bit tighter. And as long as you have that opening there, it should fit through. So go ahead and pull down. So that's how your flower will look, like there's a little part of the flower on the inside. And go ahead and take your pencil, and on each finger, you'll go ahead and roll. I want to roll this one this way so that it rolls out a little bit. And I'm going to roll this one down and out that way a little bit. And the 3 back ones, I'm just going to roll to the back and to the back and to the back. So just like that. And there you go, there's 1 flower. Now, depending on if you want leaves or not, you can twist your stem down, or if you want leaves, how I recommend to make them is taking the green construction paper and making a little fold. You can take your pencil, or you can take just your scissors, but go ahead and make a stem, which is just 2 lines on your fold here, and then go ahead and make a leaf. So up to there, to there. So just go ahead and draw your leaf and go ahead and cut it out. A little snip. All right, so when you open it, it'll look like this. So you have a little bit in the middle, and then your 2 leaves. And what worked best for me was to put it through the chenille stem and then glue it together. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. There. And now I'm just going to twist my chenille stem all the way down so it looks like it's one stem. And you can, again, make as many as you'd like, up to 3. Okay, and now that you have your flowers, what we'll do is take the ribbon down, put your flowers on top, and make one tie. This part is a little tough because the ribbon is slippery. And then make a bow. Remember to clean up, friends. Nice job, friends. Woohoo!
I hope you had so much fun making your bouquet of flowers. I hope to see you here at the library or for another DIY event. Please check our calendar for upcoming programming. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.